Welcome to the Ranking Factory software setup. We're on Toolbox. We come across the menu bar here to HTML Creator, and by default it's on Cloud Stacker. Come to the menu tab below and click on Cloud Accounts, and this is the final cloud account setup, pCloud. So we're going to go to pcloud.com and scroll down the screen, and it reads sign up and get up to 20 gigabytes free storage. So add an email address and accept pCloud's terms and conditions. And it's really a good idea to read these. So create an account. All right, I'll download it. It kind of doesn't let up on this, so you might as well do it now. So we're going to continue on to pCloud. And it wants to verify the email. And here is pCloud's verification email. And next step, upload your first file. Just drag and drop the file or folder into the upload box. Okay, and then next step, I've tried adding pCloud to my Ranking Factory software, and I keep getting a message that the account doesn't have a public HTML folder. I need to upgrade to Premium. So I'm going to click on Premium, and they want you to do lifetime payment. This is 500 gigabytes of storage or 2 terabytes of storage. It's a pretty good price for a lifetime, but I'm not really wanting to do that. So come down here to the bottom of the pricing chart and click on monthly plans. I'm going to try it for 1 month. So get Premium, so it'll be 500 gigabytes of storage, 500 gigabytes of download link traffic, unlimited remote upload, and 30 days trash history. Okay, click on Get Premium. If you click on PayPal, it will just take you to the bank card that's associated with your PayPal account, and it shows that this will be $4.99 a month. Continue. No thanks. Boy, these guys are pretty aggressive. Well, here are the order details. 500 gigabyte storage. Payment was successful. So you go up to the drop down arrow beside your avatar. Go down to settings, click on account. Come over to the left-hand column and click on Files and Public. So here's the public folder. If you've not yet uploaded anything to the public HTML folder, you can go ahead and upload something. So just click on Upload, and you can just drag a file and drop it into this upload box. And when it's complete, you'll see this. Then we go to the Ranking Factory software and input our pCloud credentials. Finally, it worked. It took paying for Premium to get the software to recognize my HTML folder. So that wraps up this tutorial.